Well, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2830th edition of Short Term Trading Live with Oscar, broadcasting to you from London. Hey, I've got another day here, but I wanted to get a video out to you to let you know what's going on out there. You know, trading is risky. You know all about that. I tell you this all the time. So please put stops in, put them in first. Never trade without that protective stop. So the Omni, oddly enough, is neutral again today. This is literally the third day in a row that the Omni is neutral. And I have to tell you, I can't remember the last time I seen neutral Omni for 3 days in a row. Something's probably brewing out there, but we'll just take it one day at a time. So, for whatever reason, our third day in a row where the Omni is not pointing up or down, it's just telling us to back off. And if you look here, this could be a possible bear flag starting. NASDAQ kind of looks the same. So, I decided the best thing that we can do is I am heeding Omni's warning, and I'm just going to stay on the sidelines for another day, and we'll see what happens. Now, we've had a neutral Omni for the last 2 days. So yesterday I pulled out of the hat. We pulled out a trade in the stock. We did a Netflix trade. It was great. But this is a full-blown neutral Omni tonight. I am doing nothing. So I just wanted to let you know that it's a rare occasion that we'll get three in a row, but hey, is what it is. Hopefully on Thursday evening, we'll end up with an Omni that allows us in. So that's about it for now, kids. Come join me at livewithoscar.com. Chat room still runs. Everybody's still in there, and I'll be back in my seat over the weekend, and we'll see each other Sunday night into Monday. Traders, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for joining me here in London. I got some great footage I can't wait to share with you guys. I promise a lot of it will come out. I put a little bit on Facebook. Maybe we'll do more of that tomorrow. But make sure you tune in. And remember, if the Omni says stay out, sometimes the best trade is no trade at all. That is still a very professional approach. So I will see all of you from my desk. I can't wait to get back. I miss my dogs. I miss my kids. I miss my office. I want to go home to Vegas, although it's really cool here. Nicest people I've ever met in the world. Omniacs from this last camp. What a fantastic camp. What a great group. Real gentlemen, very intelligent. Absorbed the Omni, proved it back to me that they got it right. And I think they're all going to do very well. You guys are blessed. I'm blessed with your presence. And you cats that flew in and drove in hundreds of miles to see us yesterday at the gathering. Oh, I mean, I had no words for them. I was so touched that they would travel so far just to come in and sit with us and meet Dano, Stephanie and Lisa, my wife. I mean, it was just a fantastic gathering. My heart goes out to you guys. Thank you so much for showing up. You really, I mean, that meant so much to me. So thank you guys. I hope you continue to do well. And that's about it. So traders, last but not least, remember, dollars are in. Emotions are rock and roll, kids. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.